everyone, welcome to Kitchen Brand Store. Today we are looking at Hindware's Nadia Auto Clean Chimney, which comes in 90 centimeter and 60 centimeters both. So we are going to see the content of the box which is inside. So this, we have opened the chimney, and as you can see, this is the packed one. We are going to pick this up. So this is what the chimney looks like. You can see the single slot for filters. Actually this is there is no filter, this is filterless chimney. So there are multiple controls. Right now this is in turn on condition, so this is motion sensor as well. So you can see, this is on, and like this is going off, so you can see the indicator status changing. Okay, just let me show you from this way. So this is turning on, turning off, right? So the multiple controls are there. This is for lamp, so already you would be able to see the LED light turning on because of this, and when I turn off, this is turning off, right? And this is for the fan, so this is for turning on the fan, right? Turned on now. Now this is for medium speed and high speed, right? This is medium speed and high speed, right? This is turned off, medium, high, turn off, right? Then this is also fan. This for fan control, fan on or off. Okay, this is when the chimney is shut down, this fan is not running. Then what you can do is you can press this auto clean button, right? So right now it is not actually connected, so that is why it is not working, but otherwise you can use this auto clean function. So now this is auto clean, this is in functional mode right now. All right, so this is what the chimney is, and there is also some more functions which you can use the user manual, like for delay start, delay shutdown, etc. You can use the user manual for best of your usage, and you can let us know if there is any questions. Yes, one thing I forgot to include here is that the chimney is coming with lifetime warranty now. Earlier it was coming with 5 years warranty, now this is coming with lifetime warranty. So if you have any questions, leave this in comment section and we will answer it. Or if you are looking for real-time video of any other product as well, please let us know via the comment section and we will prepare that for you.